Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Kia Forte's cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for breathing cleaner air inside your car. Regularly changing your filter, ideally every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps remove pollutants like dust and pollen. It also ensures your heating and air conditioning systems operate efficiently, providing consistent airflow and comfort for everyone in the vehicle. First, open your glove box and remove all its contents to give yourself clear access. Next, locate the small damper arm on the right side of the glove box and carefully unclip it. You will then find two circular stopper clips, one on each side. Turn these about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull them out. With these removed, the glove box will now swing down, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. Now that the glove box is lowered, you will see the rectangular filter housing cover. Pinch the two small plastic tabs on each side of this cover and pull it straight off. Carefully slide the old, dirty cabin air filter out of its slot. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. The new filter must be installed with its arrow pointing in the same direction, typically downwards, to ensure proper filtration. Once the new filter is in place, align the housing cover and push it until both clips snap securely. Next, raise the glove box partially and reinsert the two circular stopper clips, turning them 1/4 turn clockwise to lock them. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its peg on the right side of the glove box. Close the glove box, and you are all set to enjoy significantly cleaner and fresher air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.